Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're going to be taking this basic 4x4 mailbox post and making it fancy. A bit easier than you think. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. First, we're going to take the mailbox off this post. Grab the nut with a pair of channel locks and use the drill to pull the nut off. Mailbox comes off. We've got this Gibraltar mailbox post, plastic. It's like this fancy colonial style slip-on deal. And it's PVC, so it's gonna be waterproof. Here, I'm gonna slip this on. Awesome. Next, we got our little cross brace with the holes up. And then we're gonna be mounting our plate to these four. That slips in like so. These pins go in these two holes inside, and that'll keep our post from sliding out. The cap goes on top, and it's got two little nubs here that fit inside these holes to lock it in. Cap goes on the back and the front. We've got four holes on top, which line up with these four recessed holes here. Place our mailbox on the mounting bracket. Now we can secure the mailbox. Good to go. So that's it. We just took that standard 4x4 post and made it fancy. Now you can be the envy of the neighborhood. So for the Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe.